not forget
asingakhohlwa futhi
that righteousness,
ukuthi ukulunga
it is what God has established.
yiloko uNkulunkulu asinike kona
It is what He prepared for us.
yiloko asilungisele kona
Not only preparing it,
hayi kukulungisa nje kuphela
but He dresses us with it.
kodwa usembesa ngako
When we are dressed with such a garment,
mase sembeswe leyo ngubo
the devil will plan things
usathana uzohlela izinto
because he is evil.
ngoba vele ugcwele ububi
And the main purpose of the devil
injongo nje yinye kaSathane
is to cause one to become evil.
ukwenza omunye ukuthi abe mubi
Satan does not make you just to fall
usathana akamane nje akuyise
or to backslide
noma kubuyisele emuva,
without making you to become evil.
ngaphandle kokuthi akwenze ukuthi ube ngomubi
You get it? So it doesn't just attack you
akamane nje akuhlasela
and it just leaves you that way.
bese akushiya unjalo
When he has completed his assignment,
mayise uqedile umsebenzi wakhe
he makes you to be
ukwenza
evil.
ukuthi ugcwale ububi
When you are evil, you are equal to him.
mawusugcwele ububi usulingana naye
You are equal to
usulingana
him.
naye
He becomes the devil
uba usathane
and you become the evildoer.
bese wena uba umenzi wobubi
Meaning you do what your master, the devil, commands you.
okusho ukuthi wenza lokho kuyalelwa inkosi yakho usathane
Every arrow,
lonke umcibisho
every temptation,
sonke isilingo
every trouble
zonke inkinga
that he brings against you,
lezi ayiletha
the
kuwe
purpose
injongo yinye
is to cause one to become evil.
ukwenza omunye ukuthi agcwale ububi
Because evil,
ngoba ububi
we find it in Matthew 7.
sikuthola kuMateyu
Jesus says, "Go away, you
Jesu
evildoers."
uthi hambani nina abenzi
He
bobubi
doesn't say sinners.
akesho akasho ukuthi
Because
zoni
a sinner
ngoba umoni
can still be found.
asengaphinde atholakala
But an evildoer,
kodwa umenzi
we
wobubi
speak of someone who has been corrupted
sikhuluma ngomuntu osokhohlakele
from within and outside.
osowonakele ngaphandle nangaphakathi
Somebody who's been corrupted.
osowonakele
Now, this is a bride
lona ke ngumlobokazi
that cannot be washed anymore.
ongeke asahlanzwa futhi
She cannot be changed.
ngeke asaguqulwa
She has been corrupted,
usavele ungcolile futhi wonakele
dressed with a different garment,
wembeswe ngengubo eyehlukile
a garment of evil.
ingubo yobubi
So, what does the devil do when he attacks us?
wenzani ke usathane mayisihlasela
When he brings temptations,
mayeletha izilingo
when he brings trials,
mayiseletha ingqinamba
sickness, and disease,
ukugula nezifo
he is aiming on one thing,
ubhekane nje nento eyodwa
not to cause you to fall
hayi ukuthi akuyise
or to sin,
noma ukuthi
but to
akonise
make you equal to him
kodwa ufuna ukwenza ukuthi ulingane naye
until you become evil.
uze nawe ube ngumenzi wobubi
When you are evil,
mawusungomubi
you cannot be brought back.
angeke usabuyiswa
You are rejected.
vele usulahliwe
Now, why does God want us to put on the garment of righteousness?
kunganika uNkulunkulu afuna sembathe ingubo yokulunga
The garment of righteousness,
ingubo yokulunga
we find it in Ephesians chapter 6,
sithola kwabeFesu isahluko sesithuba
verse 14.
ivesi lesi
It's the breastplate of righteousness.
yilesi sifuba manje
So the
esivalayo.
breastplate protects your breast and the heart,
lokho kuvala isifuba kuvala isifuba
so
sakho
that the
namabele
heart cannot be
nenhliziyo
penetrated by evil,
ukuze inhliziyo ingahlatshwa
and your
ngobubi
breast cannot be tampered with
isifuba sakho ngeke futhi ize kusichukuluzwe emuntu
and destroyed.
futhi
Meaning
sibhujiswe
you'll continue to pour out pure milk.
okusho ukuthi lokhu ukhiphana nobisi
Pure
oluphuphumayo
milk.
ubisi oluphuphumayo
Everyone who
emabeleni.
sucks from your breast
wonke umuntu onqele emabeleni wakho
will never suck what is wrong
angeke anqele into
or suck
engalungile
what is equal to the devil.
noma anqele ukulingana nokaSathane
When the breastplate is removed,
mase kususwe lokho kuvala isifuba
every
namabele
arrow that the devil shoots against you,
wonke umcibisholo odutshulwa uSathane
it's
ubheke
targeting the heart.
vele ubheke enhliziyweni
It's targeting the heart.
ubheke enhliziyweni
One can be a sinner,
omunye angaba umoni
but with a heart that longs for God.
kodwa ngenhliziyo elangazelela uNkulunkulu
And the other one being an evildoer
lona omunye abe ngumenzi
with a
wobubi.
heart that has rejected God.
nenhliziyo vele seyalila uNkulunkulu
Now, such a bride
lowo mlobokazi
cannot continue walking with the husband.
angeke aqhubeke kahambe nomyeni
Cannot walk with her?
angeke aqhubeke ahambe
With the
nomyeni
husband. Meaning when God defends us,
kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu mayesilwela
he defends his relationship, his right standing with him.
ulwela ubudlelwane bakhe nobuma kahle kuye
His relationship.
ubudlelwane bakhe
Relationship, it means we are relating with him.
ubudlelwane busho ukuthi siyahlobana naye
You cannot be God's relatives and then later become equal to the devil.
angeke kube isihlobo sikaNkulunkulu bese kamuva bese ulingana
We are
noSathane
his relatives because we
Sisihlobo
relate
zakhe.
with him,
ngoba sihlobana
with our
naye
breasts and our hearts protected
ngokuvikelwa kwenhliziyo zethu namabele
from
wethu
evil.
ebubini
From
kuvikeleke
evil.
ebubini
righteousness
ukulunga
goes along with the truth.
kuhambisana neqiniso
That's why in Ephesians chapter 6,
ingakho bebefethu
verse
besahluko
14, it
sesithupha
speaks of the belt of truth.
likhuluma ngebhande
The same
leqiniso.
verse, and then it speaks about the breastplate of righteousness.
Selikhuluma ngokuvala kwesifuba sokulunga.
It means when Satan attacks you,
Usho ukuthi usathane mayihlasela
he wants you to lose the belt
ufuna ulahlekelwe leli bhande
and lose the breastplate.
esulahlekelwa lokho
Now
kuvala.
it means you compromise with the truth.
Usho ukuthi unciphisa iqiniso.
You compromise with the truth.
Unciphisa iqiniso.
How does one compromise with the truth?
Ulinciphisa kanjani komunye iqiniso?
When trouble comes,
Makuzinkinga,
tribulations come,
ufika ingqinamba,
temptation
ufika
comes.
nezilingo.
Satan targets two things:
Sathane kubhekana
the truth
nezilingo.
and your breast,
Iqiniso ubhekana nesifuba
Your
sakho,
heart.
inhliziyo yakho namabele.
your heart.
Inhliziyo yakho.
That's why the righteousness is not on the legs;
Ingakho kulunga kukho leinyaweni.
it protects.
Kodwa kusesifubeni.
The chest.
Kuvala isifuba.
Where
sonke.
do you find in the chest? What do you find?
Uthola nesifubeni na?
The heart.
Uthola inhliziyo.
Meaning your heart cannot be found being equal to the devil.
Futhi inhliziyo yakho akumele itholakale ilingana
Yet claiming to be a
noSathane.
believer.
Kodwa uthi ungumzalwane.
Yet claiming to be. Now Matthew 5
kuMateyu wesihlanu
verse 20. Jesus says to his disciples,
uJesu uthi kubafundi
if your righteousness
uma ngabe ukulunga kwenu
does not surpass that of the Pharisees and the scribes,
akube dluli laba abaFarisi
he
namaSadusi
says you cannot enter the kingdom.
uthi angeke ningene embusweni.
Yet Matthew 6 says, seek first the
Beni
kingdom
kuMateyu wesithupha uthi funa
and its
umbuso
righteousness.
nokulunga
Meaning you
kwawo.
can't enter without the breastplate.
Okusho ukuthi ngeke ungene ngaphandle kwaloko okuvala isifuba.
You cannot enter with an open chest,
Angeke ungene nje nesifuba esivulekile.
with an exposed chest,
Ngesifuba nje sidalulekile.
a breastless breast.
Isifuba esingavalwe ilutho esingenamabele.
You cannot enter the kingdom.
Angeke ungene embusweni.
Why? You can be corrupted.
Ngoba ungakhohlakala ungcole.
It means you can be corrupted.
Okusho ukuthi
You can
ungonakala.
compromise with the truth.
Ungalinciphisa neqiniso.
Okay, let's start there. Ephesians 6,
Abefesu besithupha.
verse 14. Say, I love you, Jesus.
Ngiyakuthanda Jesu.
Now, what is going to make you to prosper 2026?
Yini ke ezokwenza uphumelele kunyaka
What's going to make you to watch your enemies
Yini ezokwenza ubheka izitha zakho
falling
uyibone
and
zikwa
God laughing at them?
bese uNkulunkulu ebahleka
Righteousness.
ukulunga nje.
Righteous? It's not you who comes with your own righteousness.
Akusiwena oza
This is a
nokulunga.
garment which God has prepared for all of us.
Lena ingubo uNkulunkulu asilungisele sonke.
We dress what God has prepared for us.
Sigqoka lokhu uNkulunkulu
You don't come
asilungisele.
with your own armor.
Awuzi.
He has prepared it for you. No?
Usekulungisele vele ingubo yokulwa.
Okay, take it from 11, then you go to 14. Start from 11, then you go to 14.
Ephesians chapter 6 from verse 11 with Amplified Classic. Put on God's whole armor, the armor of a heavy armed soldier, which God supplies.
Which God supplies.
Lokho kunikwa uNkulunkulu.
Righteousness is supplied by God.
Ukulunga ukunikezwa
You
uNkulunkulu.
don't come with your own righteousness.
Awuzi nokulunga kwakho.
This is what God supplies
Yiloko okunikezwa uNkulunkulu.
for you.
Akunika
It means
wena.
it's a breastplate which He has prepared for you.
Okusho ukuthi isivikelo sesifuba lesa.
So that as you serve Him, as you follow Him,
ukuze usamlandela
your
umkhondo.
breast, your heart must be protected
Inhliziyo nesifuba sakho
from
kuvikeleke
corruption,
ekonakaleni.
from being deceived by another husband.
Ekutheni ukhohliswe ngomunye umyeni.
You get it? From being deceived by another husband.
Ekukhohlisweni ngomunye umkhwenyana.
So that your breast cannot be seen by other husbands. And they say, hey, those breasts, come here, you've got big
Ukuze
breasts,
amabele
man.
akhe angabonwa
Yet
ngabanye
you're being
abantu.
deceived.
Kodwa uyakhohliswa. Hey,
When your breast is protected,
amabele akho
your
mayisevikelekile.
heart is protected.
Nenhliziyo yakhe
Your
ivikelekile.
heart is protected. Let's go.
Put on God's whole armor, the armor of a heavy armed soldier, which God supplies,
Which God supplies.
that you may be able successfully to stand up
So that you can be ably and successfully stand up.
Ukuze uzokwazi ukuma.
to stand up against all the strategies
Okay. Against all the strategies.
Wonke amaqhinga.
and the deceits of the devil.
And the deceits of the devil. So this armor
Ngakho-ke leku kuvikela
protects you from strategies
ukuvikela emaqhingeni
and deceits
nasekukhohlisweni
of the
ukukhohlisweni
devil.
usathane.
Verse 12. For we are not wrestling.
Go to 14 after that. We'll come back there.
Verse 14. Stand therefore.
So that you can stand. Now it says stand therefore.
Lithi ngakho-ke yima.
Not with open breasts.
Hayi ngesifuba esivulekile.
Let's go.
Stand therefore. Hold your ground.
Hold your ground.
Having having tightened
the
belt of truth.
the belt of truth.
ufasa uqinise
So the
iy'nkabi
belt is
zenu.
here. The
Ikhona ke
breastplate is
ibhande,
here.
nesifuba sivalile.
Let's go.
Having tightened the belt of truth around your loins,
Align the wrongs.
and having put on the breastplate
Now
of
this involves a man,
Lokho ke kufaka
a
umuntu
character of a man and a character of a woman.
isenzo somuntu wesilisa
The character of a
nowesifazane.
woman, the breast.
Owesifazane
The man, the loins.
kodwa indoda
Two
amabele.
things that can be contaminated.
Izinto ezimbili
The loins of a man and the breast of the woman.
inyonga zendoda namabele wowesifazane.
Who carries the truth?
Ngibani
Who supplies righteousness?
ngibani onikeza
Who is the truth and the way?
Ngibani
Jesus Christ. He supplies you with the breastplate.
unikeza ngalesi sivikelo
You are his bride. You are his woman. So his truth protects your breast.
iqiniso lakho livikela amabele wakho.
The bridegroom and the groom. True
Umkhwenyana
marriage.
nomakoti.
Uncontaminated loins and the breast.
Amabele nenyonga ezingangcolisiwe.
Uncontaminated breast and the.
Inyonga namabele
Loins.
okungangcolisiwe.
Because if a man's loins
Ngoba inyonga zendoda
is contaminated,
zingcolisiwe.
every seed he gives,
Yonke imbewu ayinikezayo
it's already contaminated.
iphuma vele isingcolile.
And how does a child get contaminated?
Umntwana ungcola kanjani na?
Ngokumunya amabeleni womama ongcolisekile.
Ay.
And the loins of a man angcola kanjani? When the truth is not there.
Malingasekho iqiniso inyonga zendoda.
When the loins are unfaithful.
mazingasathembekile.
When the
inyonga
loins they go around doing whatever.
Khalo lendoda maselihamba lwenza noma yini.
The seed
Imbewu
carries what is contaminated.
thetha okungcolile.
Now, everywhere it's going to drop,
Ngakho konke lazowela khona
you are going to give birth to something that is equal to the devil.
uyozala into elingana noSathane.
Equal to the,
Uyozala into elingana
Devil.
noSathane.
but proceeding from whose loins?
Ephuma ekhalweni likabani na?
The one who lost the truth.
Liphuma okhalweni lalowo lahlekelwe.
So Jesus Christ is the truth
uJesu Kristu
and the way
indlela
to the Father.
eya kubaba.
Now, he's here.
Manje ke ula okhalweni lwethu.
The waist joins the legs with the body.
Ukhalo lihlanganisa okungezansi imlenze
Without the waist, the legs cannot be joined to
ngaphandle
the body.
kokhalo unyawo ngeke ihlangane nomzimba.
So when the waist carries the truth,
Manje kukhalo
the
maliphethe
body will function correctly.
umzimba uzosebenza ngendlela.
There will be true marriage.
Kuzoba nomshado weqiniso. Hey,
There will be true marriage.
kuzoba nomshado weqiniso.
What the loins produces
Lokho kukhiqizwa zinkalo
cannot be contaminated.
angeke kungcoliswe.
It's just as the weapons of
Kufana
God.
nezikhali zikaNkulunkulu.
It's just like the weapons of.
Kufana nezikhali zikaNkulunkulu.
Repeat, you'll get it. You must check. If gwafala, ufile. Yini ehlanganisa lokhu nalokhu?
Ukhalo.
If this thing is contaminated,
Akuke nje kwangcola ukhalo.
the whole body suffers.